In this guide, we will explore some common signs and symptoms of power steering problems that you should be aware of to help you identify potential issues early and ensure your vehicle's continued reliable performance. Purpose of the power steering pump is to enhances the ease of steering and improves overall driver control, contributing to safer and more comfortable driving experiences. Difficulty turning the wheel. The steering wheel becomes noticeably harder to turn, especially at low speeds or when parking. Whining or squealing noise. A persistent whining or squealing sound, often heard when turning the wheel, can indicate a lack of power steering fluid or pump issues. Leaking power steering fluid. Puddles or stains of power steering fluid under your car can suggest a leak from the pump or its associated hoses and connections. Vibrations in the steering wheel. Excessive vibrations or feedback through the steering wheel when driving may point to a failing power steering pump. Intermittent loss of power assist. You might experience moments when power steering assistance is lost, making steering more difficult temporarily. Burning smell. If the power steering pump is overheating due to issues, you may detect a burning smell under the hood. Steering wheel slips. Your steering wheel may feel like it slips or moves slightly when turning, a sign that the pump isn't providing consistent pressure. If you notice these symptoms, it's essential to have your power steering system inspected and repaired, as driving without functioning power steering can be unsafe and put extra strain on other components.